welcome to another episode of this assembly. I am the host of Yahweh Soya, and today we're going to pick it up once again in Bere'Shiyth chapter 36, verse 6. And last we left off was talking about basically the birth of a nation of Edomites, birth of a bunch of red people, possibly red-hairy people. You know, a bunch of red hunters that, well, get into that later. Nonetheless, we're going to pick it up right here in verse 6. And it reads, "And Esau took his women, and his sons, and his daughters, and all the persons of his house, and his cattle, and all his beasts, and all his substance, which he had got in the land of Canaan, and went into the country from the place of his brother Yaakov." Now, I want to say thank you to the Most High Father, Yahweh, who, through his grace and mercy, saw fit to see me here today to be able to share with you these understandings that I received through him. I want to say thank you for your son, Yahshua, who sacrificed himself for the very same reason. Now, help me, Father, as I try to go through this and give my best to deliver the understanding that you would have us to know and hear and grow on and to grow upon. In the name of Yahushua, I pray, hallelujah. All right, let's get into this. Now, the sons of Esau and Yishmael. Esau is Edom, and Yishmael shall be the father of a mighty nation, as said by Yahweh himself. The two became one. The time for mourning his father draw to an end. Esau will kill his brother Yaakov. The possibility that he is in mourning would explain why it is he left in peace. Not only would he be in mourning, but so too were his mother and brother. Esau seems to have had honor and integrity, unlike Yaakov. Yaakov still seems prone to behavior that questions his integrity, yet we never read of the behavior that Yahweh regards in comparison with the serpent, at least as far as Esau is concerned. Now, because he was honorable, at least as far as we know, Esau took all he had and departed into the country. Esau took his and dwelt in the mountains, hills, and woodlands. The rough elements suited his lifestyle as a cunning hunter. It will allow him to develop his skills, intellect, and strength as a hunter of prey. It will also serve as a separator, a barrier between he and all others. He and his family, his people, Edomites, could develop into whatever type of people that they wanted to be. They could practice behaviors and beliefs as they chose, especially since Yahweh had already disregarded him as a part of his chosen people. Therefore, just what would Esau and his Edomim believe in? Who would they worship and praise? Keep that in mind. Let that circulate through your head. All right, verse 7. "For their riches were more than that they might dwell together, and the land wherein they were, strangers could not bear them because of their cattle." Verse 8. They must have had a lot of stuff. Verse 8. "Thus dwelt Esau in Mount Seir." Esau is Edom. Here it is emphasized that Esau is Edom. Edom means red. When we call a brother with a light complexion red, red means by our vernacular today of a high yellow complexion. That does not necessarily translate to this verse, just a thought. Esau was the first red person born. Esau, the father of red people, chose mountainous lands to be his own. Rough, arid, and treacherous lands would be their inheritance. There they would learn many skills like rock climbing, snowboarding, whitewater rafting through mountain rivers, spelunking, cave painting, cave diving, hiking, and mountain climbing, and how to build a home on the side of a mountain. Is it any wonder the fascination the Edomites have with mountains? They truly adore mountain living, playing, whatever is associated with mountains. Mountain carving. Yeah, I can't make this up. They even have a TV show called Mountain Men. Why is it in vampire and werewolf stories, many times these creatures live in mountain caves? Why do they choose vampire bats as the form that vampires take? Perhaps because they live and hide in caves. Verse 9. And these are the generations of Esau, the father of the Edomim in Mount Seir. Esau is Edom. That is a point of emphasis that Yahweh wants to make in the scriptures. Esau is Edom. He keeps repeating it over and over again. Esau is red. All right? Esau is red. Let your brain wrap around that. If you don't think they're red people, you're calling the father a liar. If you don't think they're red people, you are calling the father a liar. If you don't think they're okay, I'm done. The father of the red people, he fathered a nation of red people, both white, leprous white women, and likely by darker women as well. Verses 10 through 18. These are the names of Esau's sons: Eliphaz, the son of Adah, the one of Esau; Reuel, the son of Basmath, the woman of Esau. And the sons of Eliphaz were Teman, Omar, Tesepho, and Gatam, and Kenaz. And Timnah was concubine to Eliphaz, Esau's son. And she bore to Eliphaz Eth Amalek. These were the sons of Adah, Esau's woman. And these are the sons of Reuel, Nakath, and Zarach, Shammah, and Mizah. These were the sons of Basmath, Esau's woman. And these were the sons of Aholibamah, the daughter of Anah, the daughter of Tisavon, Esau's woman. And she bore to Esau Eth Yeish, and Eth Ya'alam, and Eth Karach. These were dukes of the sons of Esau, the sons of Eliphaz, the firstborn son of Esau, Duke Teman, Duke Omar, Duke Tesopha, Duke Kenaz, Duke Karach, Duke Gatam, and Duke Amalek. These are the dukes that came of Eliphaz in the land of Edom. These were the sons of Adah. And these are the sons of Reuel, Esau's son: Duke Nakath, Duke Zarach, Duke Shammah, Duke Mizah. These are the dukes that came of Reuel in the land of Edom. These are the sons of Basmath, Esau's woman. And these are the sons of Aholibamah, Esau's woman: Duke Yeish, Duke Ya'alam, Duke Karach. These were the dukes that came of Aholibamah, the daughter of Anah, Esau's woman. Verse 19. Well, those were quite a few sons that was mentioned, the dukies of the Edomites. Sorry. Verse 19. These are the sons of Esau, who is Edom, and these are their dukes. Another emphasis of Esau being Edom. Esau is red. Esau is red. Esau is red. I think this is to illustrate that Esau begot his sons by the white women of Canaan and the daughters of Ishmael. His offspring were likely red and or white due to his own pale red complexion. These are the sons of red. Esau is Edom. Edom is red. Therefore, these are the sons of Edom. These are the sons of red, which are red. All right, now leave off there a little early, I know. Nonetheless, going to pick it up with verse 20 on the next time come to this assembly to come and learn Yahweh's words, to give him praise, lift up his words, his thoughts, his beliefs, and for me to share my understanding as given to me by him. So until the next time, I hope you enjoyed this good day. Goodbye.